It starts where every tool starts, a login screen. Nothing installed, nothing to set up. The whole machine lives in a browser. One screen of terms once. And a brand new account. Empty library, no book. Watch what it takes to change that. And you click New Book. And this is the whole ask. What kind of book? A title, if you have one. Who it's for. How long. Plain words, plain choices. And here's the box that matters. Filled in what the book should cover, who it's for, and anything you personally want in it. This author wants a guide about a 20-minute client call. Know your subject. Everything you add makes the book more yours. And don't. It writes the book anyway. And the book exists in your library from the first click. And notice the machine is straight about boundaries. The cover, the audiobook, the export are marked as not part of this plan. What you own is what you see, before it spends anything. It asks the whole run laid out, every stage what it costs in credits, where it pauses for your decisions, and you can stop it at any time. Nothing starts until you say go, and it goes to work. First, the blueprint, the book's plan built from what you typed. And by the way, this whole demo runs on the smallest plan. This screen is the account itself, what's owned, named plainly, and what's not owned, listed just as plainly. Every upgrade, locked until it's bought. No surprises in either direction. The full catalog, everything the engine can write, from business guides to fiction shelves. The plan you just saw unlocks the guide categories. The rest is what the upgrades open. Under the hood, it's a system, every stage laid out, run in order, each one building on the last. A machine, not a prompt. And here's what a chatbot never does. It stops and hands the wheel back. And it asks you to confirm the method the book is built on. It drafted a name from your words, but the name it uses is yours to set, because if you teach this under your own name, the book should carry it. You name it, and it carries straight on. And that's a real gate, not a formality. The continue button stays off until you've named it. And then it writes, the framework, your method, step by step, each step made specific enough to use. And if you ever wonder what to do next, the tutorial walks the whole path from creating your book to the finished file. And the product says it in its own words. Tell it what you want written. Anything of your own goes straight in, 2 stages down on the record. And the library card tells the truth about where the book actually is. The stage that's done, never a fake ready. From your method. It maps the chapters. You can watch it reason out all 7. Each one named for the job it does. And then it stops. Again, your chapter list confirmed before a word gets written. Edit any title. Add a chapter this book ships with your decisions in it. And then it writes. Chapter by chapter. And look what every single chapter goes through, the draft, then the gates, actionability, specificity, accuracy, and a rewrite whenever a gate flags. Nobody has to remember to check. The checking is built in. All 3 stages, complete. And when it's done, it shows its work. Every chapter through its gates and the specifics the engine wrote on its own, taken out and listed, so what the book states can be traced to what you gave it. Which leaves the part that matters, a real book. The 20-minute client reset, 7 chapters, 19,603 words, ready, saved, and downloading. That's not a sample. That's the finished thing asked for in plain words at the start, on its way to the shelf at the end.